Hi, welcome to my channel Universe Sam. Are you frustrated because your laptop is too slow? Let's try some tips to make it faster. The first tip is power options, right? So I'll go to control panel, go to hardware and sound, power options, and then here you will find two options here, the balanced one and the high performance. I'll pick up high performance. The second option is task manager. Right click on the taskbar, click on task manager, go to the startup tab here. You will find all these programs here under the startup. These are the programs that start automatically when you turn on your laptop. So when an operating system is run, these programs start automatically. Most of them are needed, of course, but some of them are not needed. So like for me, I don't use Skype more often, so I'll just click it and then disable it. And you can do the same with other programs also. Okay, and disabling doesn't mean that I'm uninstalling it from my laptop. It's still there, but I disabled it from the startup only. Tip number 3 is disk cleanup. So double click on this icon here, this PC. You will find drives here. I have 2 drives, C and D. Most of the times your operating system is on C drive. Okay, so you might have just one drive, you might have more than 2 drives. So I'll just pick up C for me, go to properties and press disk cleanup. Okay, so it says here downloaded program files and the temporary internet files will be deleted and the thumbnails also. Okay, so I can delete these things. I say, okay, clean up system files. All right, so it's calculating. So once this is done, after calculating, it gave me this option here, 102 MB. I say, okay. And then I say, okay, permanently delete these files. These are actually unnecessary files, so you don't have to worry about that. So this will also speed up my laptop to some extent. Okay, now move on to tip number 4. Go to Windows search, type run, and here type %temp%. This will bring up all the temporary files I have on my laptop. Okay, so just select the first one, shift the last one, and then delete. Okay, so you can just skip this. You go back to run. And type temp this time without % and say continue. This also gives you some files. They are also temporary files. So just pick the first one, press shift, either press end or go down to the last one and delete. All right. Next tip is again go to run, and this time type in prefetch, prefetch. This time also it gives you some files that you need to delete, and don't worry, they are also unnecessary files. They will just free up some space from your laptop and it will speed up your laptop. So select them and delete. Let's try a couple of more tips. Go back to this PC and again, I'll pick up C drive, go to properties, and this time I will go to tools here, and then from here you can defragment. So I would say optimize, C drive, yes, and optimize. All right, so it's optimizing now, and it will take some time. Once it's done, it will close the window. The last option we can try is go to run. Now this time type msconfig and go to services. Okay, so this is like all of these services, but just make sure that you don't delete or disable the important ones. So for that purpose, click on this one. It says hide all Microsoft services. So, and then when you hide all of them, these ones, you can disable them. So you can just simply say disable all. And okay, this time it will ask you if you want to restart now or exit without restart. So I'll just exit without restart, and I hope your laptop is now faster. This is it for now, and hope you liked my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoyed it.